So the fact that the mind is 99% silent is not noticeable because the 1% that's active, you are in a hypnotic state. To get freed from the mind, you have to realize that you are in a you are hypnotized by the 1% of the mind. You think that this little TV set going on inside, here's a castle with 46 rooms, and one little TV over here, and you're sitting there watching this TV. Saying there's no peace in this castle. All right. So this 1%, it's because you're glamorized by it. You're glamorized by it. You're glamorized by it. You're seduced by it. You're seduced by the interest in the action. There's nothing going on in this whole castle of 54 rooms and 150 acres. The only thing that's happening around here is in this 4x6-inch TV set. This is all that's happening. There's nothing else happening. You see? Person gets bored and the job says, well, where's the TV set? So that shows you how you're hooked and addicted to the energy of happening, what's happening. So this mind, 1% is got you hypnotized, and this is what it's doing all the time. It's romanticizing, moralizing, criticizing, dramatizing. It loves drama. Victims, catastrophe, rationalize. All this is what it's glamorizing things. And in the meantime, it's theorizing about it, etc., and criticizing it, romanticizing it. So you can see this is all stuff that we're putting on it. It doesn't exist there. 1% doesn't have any great power over you. The only power it has is the power you give it. So you have to turn down the seduction of the 1% of the mind. It's seductive. And realize that you're hypnotized by it. Once you have that knowledge, it gives you a big edge in getting unhooked from it.